Hello everyone, Shanta here. Hope you guys are having a great day. So I want to come in and share with you guys this kit that I bought from Hero Arts. I didn't join their club or anything. I just bought this particular kit. This is the first kit that I purchased from them, and this is the second kit that I've ever wanted from them. And the first one, it was like a luggage tag type of kit, and I waited too late and they sold out. So I went on and grabbed this one time I saw it. Now, for those of you that do not know, my favorite holiday for like making stuff or celebrating is Christmas, and I absolutely love Valentine's Day as well. Just the colors and the love in the air type of situation. So this is what this is. Now, they sent me this as a freebie for making a purchase, which was very sweet. Now this kit, let me show you what comes with it. And for Hero Arts, anybody know their products? Y'all know these kits, $34.99. This is a lick, if you can. that's what I like to call them, a lick, if you know anything about their products and their prices. So we got it came with these three shimmer sheets, and they sent this texture, but it doesn't feel like paper. It has another type of feel to it. So we got that. They gave a sequence mix, all kind of heart sequence. I love those heart sequence. And then you got these 4 ink cubes, this pink embossing powder. But this is, that didn't move me, but this moved me, honey. They sent, and I love the way they packaged up their stuff. They had it in pink paper, reuse this ribbon. This is what I love. I wish this came in a die. Lord, I would so get it. But these are, that 2 stamping for the love, 2 stamping for the symbol there. And they have the reveal on their blog as well. Those dies, that is gonna be gorgeous for like wedding stuff. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And then those dies. And then to go with it, I bought this as an add-on, just for, that came out with it. This heart right here that has butterflies and flowers and stuff in it. Where is it? Right here. Because you can, of course, I believe you can use Christmas and Valentine's year round. Y'all know I use stuff year round. I create based off how I feel, so, it's always good with me. And then I bought this embossing powder. It's called White Puff, and what it does is you spray it on something you want to raise, like if you want to make snow or something like that, and it puffs it up. Hence White Puff. So I bought that. Now you guys know I am still in a Christmas kick, so I don't know when I'm gonna use this kit, but I just wanted to share it in case some of you guys want to go and purchase the kit, because for $35 you get this stamp and all these dies. This time they included, like I said, the little paper, those sheets. You get the embossing powder, you get the ink cubes and you get the sequence for the $35. I thought it was a great price. So, and it was nice for me to get some ribbon free that I'm gonna reuse in these pearls. All right, you guys, and that is it. You have a great day. I'll be back with another video. I was gonna say I may try to make something with this, but if I don't, I'll just do a separate video if you don't see anything attached to this one. It just depends on how my mood is. All right, you guys, that is it. I will be back shortly. Keep the faith now. Bye.